Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin and this is The Real Laptop Lifestyle. Today I'm doing a Vlogr review. It's a new product and I haven't got as excited about a product for quite a long time. This could be a real game changer when it comes to driving traffic and making money. Let's get straight into it. As I'm sure you're already aware, the focus of my videos is one of three things. It's about attracting custom. That's one of the things I focus on. The more customers you get, the more profit you should make. I'm also very focused on techniques for generating bigger profits and anything that makes life easier. So what I want to do today in this particular video is go through the buying process because some people get mixed up by it. So it always starts with a want and the need to find a solution. When you have something you can't get past, you have a challenge, you have a problem, then you want to find a way of getting over it. And this is what I spend a lot of my time doing, is helping people solve such problems. So it always starts with a want and a need, but there are two essential elements that people don't tend to talk about very much, and what most businesses don't get a chance to offer because they're cold. And that is trust and like. You see, if you can build up trust with your customers, if they trust you, they're going to be more likely to buy from you. If they like you, they're going to be very much more likely to buy from you. So all things being equal, we tend to buy from people that we like and we trust, especially like. By the way, this is why email marketing is so very successful. Email marketing is 85% of my income, or generates 85% of my income. And that's what I basically do with sequences, is I let them get to know me and I build up trust and get them to like me, or hope they like me. Maybe they dislike me, I don't know. But it builds up trust anyway. And then I offer a solution. And that's why I do well with email marketing. But today's video is about vlogging. So do you fully understand the potential that vlogging offers you? Because not many people do. Learning to speak on a camera and getting in front of a camera, you do it a few times, it gets easier. Every time you do it, it gets easier. So it's really not that difficult. If you want to do it, just push yourself and you'll soon be doing it. A week or so from now, we'll be making great videos, far better than what I do. The problem I have is remembering what I have to say, and that's why I use these mind maps and put the ideas on there. So it's a sort of aid, a memoir that keeps me focused. So the thing about vlogging is it gives you an opportunity to stay in communication with your customers. You see, I'm reading these bits of this as I go along. And the more you can stay in communication with your prospects and your customers, the more interested they're likely to be, or they might leave completely, which is fine, because if they're not your custom, why keep emailing them? But the nice thing about vlogging is that you can keep in touch with them, making regular emails. There's an interest. There's a few other really big benefits to vlogging. Recording is a lot quicker than writing a blog. Now, if I was to write a blog or a sales page or a sales letter, that could take me a few days. Writing a blog post that's got as many words in as I've spoken in this video would probably take me all day. This is going to take me, what, 10 minutes to record? So all I spent was 10 minutes writing out the points I'm going to make and then working on them. So it's very much quicker to make a vlog, to make a video, than it is to write something. And also, you're more likely to make the sale because it gives people the chance to get to know you. You can see what I look like. You can, if you've been wondering what the voice when you're reading something, what I'm like now, you know, you can see I'm an old dodderer. But anyway, if you let people see you, if you let them into your life, you are far more likely to make a sale. They get to know you, they get familiar with you. If you choose vlogging, you're more likely to attract interest, prospects, and customers, make more money, and have lots of fun. Oh, it is fun making videos. So I'm going to show you the perfect solution right now. And by the way, you can do this. Okay, to get through to this page, you just click on the link directly below this video and it'll bring you through here. Now, unfortunately, the guy who's selling this product, made this product, he's made an excellent product. It really is very good. I'm so impressed, but he didn't get the sales page finished in time. So I've had to put everything in here. Now, there are two videos I'd like to show you. The top two are videos. This one is an intro. but this one is excellent. He tells you all about vlogging, all the ins and outs, and why you should be doing it. I think you'd be impressed. So watch this at will, go through it a few times. And he also mentions a case study by Gary Vaynerchuk. Now, Gary Vaynerchuk is the business, and Gary Vaynerchuk apparently started in wine. I don't mean he was whining. He started in the wine business, and he turned a $3 million business into a $60 million business, basically from vlogging. Now, you could do the same, not with a wine business, with any sort of business. So let's go into what exactly is in this product. Now, by the way, these are not videos because he didn't finish the sales page. I had to grab these. I went inside and just took screen grabs rather than putting recordings in here. So in module 1, you are going to learn what is vlogging. This is more of an introduction and how you should plan your vlog. You'll probably end up with lots of ideas, but one come to the top, you know, if you start working on them. I know when I start planning things, I don't just get one idea, I get 5 to 6 or maybe 10 or 12. And it's the one that I start to leverage towards the top and think, this is the one. And then you breathe life into it. When you're making vlogging videos, you could do a lot of interviewing people. You could interview your customers. You could do video testimonials, all kinds of things. So that's what you get in module 1. In module 2, how to structure your story. Now, I haven't mentioned stories, but storytelling is so powerful if you're into it or if you just want to learn more about it. Telling stories really does capture people's attention and gets their interest straight away. So he's going to tell you all about storytelling, story elements, and content delivery. Now, even if you just use bits of this in your vlog planning, that's hard to say, vlog planning, it's going to really improve the quality of your vlog. And here's something that you should be very aware of is the first vlog you make, you'll probably cringe at. Ugh. If you go to my channel and look at the early videos I made a month ago, I kind of, but these aren't too bad. This is me. This is who I am. Some people like it, some won't. I'll concentrate on those that like it. But your vlogs your recordings will improve very quickly, and very soon you'll have a vlog that people admire, and that will earn trust and get you liked. Module 3, it's about shooting your blog. Yes, it is. Okay, visual storytelling. So he's going to tell you more about storytelling. Shooting your vlog. Okay, lesson 4, before editing. So he's going to show you how to improve it. By the way, my daughter has a vlog. She's a full-time GB sports person, and she doesn't edit anything. She just does it and puts it straight up, you know, so you get anything that she records, warts and all. So what you do before editing a vlog for Facebook, yeah, you can put your vlog on Facebook and get loads of followers. Editing a vlog for YouTube, I put most things on YouTube, but Facebook really works, you know. And publishing your vlog. Now, it's also got some bonuses here, and there are 3 of them. And one of them is going to be about green screen and talking head videos, vlog elements, and animated characters and backgrounds. Now, you can see the price of this. It's not expensive. It goes between $27 and $47. Why 27 and 47? Well, this is sold through Warrior Plus, I think, and it's on what's called a dime sale. So if you get in early, you're going to get it $27, but every hour or so it goes up a little bit till it reaches a maximum of 47. Believe me, at $47, this is a steal, because if you use it, there's a big point. A lot of people buy these things and don't use it. If you use it, you've got all the information to make a fantastic blog, 1, 2, 3 of them, if you like. And if you're using it for business, you're going to drive more business, get more customers, and make more profits. So this is a steal at $47. Now, he's got 2 upsells. I told you he was a bit late in doing his sales page, so I don't know what Upvid is, but it's obviously a membership of some sort, so it's probably some sort of ongoing help, and it's either $27 a month or $49.95 every quarter. So you need to research that. but I dare say from the values given in the Vlogr product, it's going to be very well worth considering. His one-time offer number 2 is Vlogr consultancy. So if you want to get onto the phone, well, maybe not the phone, but perhaps Skype or a message with him, and you've got a load of questions, you need help, he's prepared to get a consultation with you. Doesn't say how long it lasts, but I imagine you'd get good value for money. He'll tell you about what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong. Try this, don't do that, and definitely don't do that, but do this, and that's going to help you go forward. So that is Vlogr, but I'm going to sweeten this deal. I hope it's got your interest. I'm really going to sweeten it by offering you 8 products. Now, these will really help you go forward on making a living online. To get them, excuse me, all you do is come through to this page. Remember, the link is directly below this video, and click this button or the one below, and you'll get all of my bonuses for free. So what are they? The first one is on Instagram. Instagram seems to be very good for driving traffic. I've just started playing with it and I'm driving traffic. So I'm going to share the same process with you. This is a biggie. How to explode your YouTube channel. I didn't do this for years. I just started really, and it's just starting to take off. And if you do explode your your YouTube channel, this is ideal for your blog. You can make a fortune out of it in passive income. That's another story. This will tell you how to explode it. I'm also going to give you a product. It's a complete product called Printly. Now, I know 2 people who use it, one who does really well and makes his entire living out of it. And that's why I included this, because he doesn't stop raving about it. These 3 products, 10K a month online, 7 deadly sins of email marketing, and list building on steroids, they all work together. Now, I think I've mentioned already, about 85% of my income comes from email marketing. So this will show you how to do email marketing. It will get you started. And I've got 2 more products for you. It's Facebook Livewire and Facebook Live Handbook. Now, I drive a lot of my traffic from Facebook, and that's why I decided to include these. So you've got 8 products there, and they're yours if you buy or you click through on one of my links. There's 2. There's one at the bottom, one here. Just click it, it'll take you to the sales page. At the time of recording this, the sales page isn't live, but I'm sure it's going to be by the time you watch this. And when you purchase, you'll come through to a page like this where you can access your purchase. Excuse me. And then I'm really hungry actually. And then you can go back and click the blue button and access the links or the products I have for you. Gosh, he's a handsome guy. Is that me? Oh, it is. Anyway, I hope that you like this product, and I hope you'll consider it seriously, because I know you can make lots of products by using vlogs, and everyone should do it because it really is that powerful. So do you have any comments or questions? Because if you do, you can write them immediately below this video, and I promise I'll answer them for you. What I would like to know is, did you enjoy this video? It means a lot to me to find out. Right below the video, you'll find a little blue thumbs up. Give it a click if you enjoyed it, and that tells me that you did. Also, please consider subscribing to this channel. Just hit the red button and the little bell next to it. Now, not only will that help me, but it also means every time you come into YouTube, it'll tell you I've made another video. And rather than digging about and even wondering if I have, you'll see the link, you'll see the title, you'll know what it's about. You can click through to it if you wish. Now, that's one way of getting more profit generating information. The other way is by joining my email list, and I really advise you to do so, because I'll keep you entertained. I'll make you laugh, really I will, and I'll keep you right up to date with profit generating information. What's new, what's happening. It's up to you if you follow it. If it's not for you, you can unsubscribe at any time, and we're not going to fall out. Now, all you have to do to join my list is, when this video finishes in just a second, come to the front of the page, the front of the YouTube channel, and you'll see this little globe here on the right hand side. Click that and it'll bring you through to this page. All you have to do is just click the subscribe button and you'll get started immediately. Look, thank you for your time. I've really enjoyed making this video for you. So I look forward to speaking to you again very shortly, either in the next video or perhaps in an email. So look forward to speaking to you then. Bye bye for now.